A lot of people think that you are going to run for Attorney General. What can you tell them today?
And what I can tell you is that
I don't buy that. Madam Secretary, how do you know that 15 people, and it's only 15 people, voted illegally? What did you do? And what methodology did you employ? I don't care if it's Republican or Democrat across the state. We want to know how they actually came up with that. We need to have clear criminal intent in violation of a particular criminal statute in order to charge anyone with a crime. People shouldn't just be charged with a crime because it's politically unpopular. People should not be persecuted or prosecuted in order to shut someone else up. None of this would be an issue if we actually had competent investigations that would occur at the state level.
What does that say about the Attorney General?
Are we just supposed to trust it? I'll tell you what, I'm not going to trust anything at face value. That's not how our system of justice works. We actually have clear laws. We're supposed to have a disinterested prosecutor.
It doesn't matter where you're from in the state. It's affecting everybody.
We shouldn't be going after electors. We shouldn't be going after school board members. We shouldn't be going after parents. We shouldn't be going after people who wanted to keep their businesses open during COVID. What we need to go after are people that are dangerous criminals and people that bring in this poison from other countries and they want to distribute it to our children here.
we actually go after criminals and keep our streets safe. We're not doing really anything to stop the lawfare. A lot of attorneys didn't want to do anything to challenge the government. I did something to challenge the government. We were successful.
Where does your moral compass come from? What do you think is the driving force?
Character is what you're doing when only God is looking.
What is your relationship with the U.S. Constitution?
We're about to actually reach a milestone in celebrating the founding and the birth of our country. It doesn't matter if you are a Republican or Democrat. It doesn't matter if you're a liberal or a conservative. We've had people persecuted and prosecuted and picked on. It is applicable and it's afforded to every single individual within the United States.
A lot of people talk about the Constitution as a living document.
The more we deviate from our principles, the more of a country we're going to cease to be.
What would you tell young people today?
Be selective about what you do and be intentional. Because right now, I don't really see that everywhere across the state. We need to restore the rule of law and protect our constitutional rights. We need to restore our faith in government and elections. We also have to ensure that we're going to make Michigan the #1 place where our families can thrive.
A lot of people think that you are going to run for Attorney General. What can you tell them today?
And what I can tell you is that
This is Braden Giacobazzi, your host for the new District 9 podcast. We are so excited to introduce you to attorney Kevin Kee-ev-skee and many more guests in the future. Check back in a few days for the full podcast.